So another Milwaukee unboxing is the Cordless 3/8 Ratchet. Pretty excited about that since I have the impact guns. So this is a tool only box. Once you get inside of it, you will pretty much just see the tool only. Owner's manual, branding. So, we'll get to the tool itself. Nice rubber grip, just like the rest of their stuff. When it locks on, can't activate it. Locks off, it's good to go again. So you got your LED light, just like the rest. It's got a 3/8 head on it, forward and reverse. LED battery indicator, variable trigger.